Hello everybody and welcome to this week's video. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Olivia and I like to make YouTube videos just for fun. Anyways, thank you for joining me. This week's video is going to be a little different than my other ones because this is my first edition of Pack With Me. I have taken 2 weeks off of work and I'm going to the sunny and beautiful Los Angeles, California. And I need to pack. I need to try and pack just what I need, but I know I'm going to be buying lots of stuff down there, so I don't want to pack too much. So you're going to come with me on this journey of packing for this trip, and I guess it will be kind of like a little mini Amazon travel edition as well, with some cool stuff that I bought to help organize my bag and keep things under control. So if this is something that is interesting to you, don't forget to grab your notebooks and your pens and let's get started. A note, I have already filmed some footage from the previous day. So if I'm wearing something different, don't worry. I need to pack what I can now so I'm not freaking out the night before we leave because I'm super busy the day before we go. So we are going to pick out the jewelry I'm gonna bring. Welcome to the jewelry section of my closet. Clothes, jewelry, yes. So I just have a Tupperware container and I'm just gonna fill it with jewelry that I want to bring. If you want a more in-depth tour of my jewelry collection, let me know and I will be sure to do a more in-depth video. So I'm just moving over all of my necklaces and we're going to dive into the earrings. Okay, so that is it for earrings. I'm going for 2 weeks. So that is earrings. We are going to put that onto the desk and we are going to move on to necklaces. I have a new Tupperware container and all of my necklaces are hanging here. So I'm going to try and bring necklaces that I can wear with a lot of different colors of outfits that I'm going to wear. So I'm going to try and keep it to gold, silvers, and rose golds. And maybe some kind of pearls. So we are going to get started. Necklaces, earrings. Okay everybody, it is now time for glasses. So I have my cases here, which I'm probably going to bring 3 pairs of glasses. So I'll wear one to the airport and then I'll also bring 2 in my bag. Glasses, definitely this one. The glasses that I'm wearing, which are, hi, hello, yes, I am filming on 2 separate days. And probably this one, my pearly ones. Now it is hair accessories, so most of my hair fundamentals are in here. But I have this handy little pack that I'm going to take with me. Let me just bring it over to the table. This from a beauty supplier in my city. And it's really cool. So it's like this black box. Let me put the light down. And it clicks open. And then inside, you have pretty much all of your travel essentials that you need. You have clips, you have big pins. Like this just flips open. Like this. You have like these big pins. Then you have 2 of those same pins like this, but smaller and different colors. Black bobby pins, gold bobby pins, silver. A thing for hair ties, and then these like rubbery hair ties as well. And then these 2 had hair nets in them. I threw away the blonde one, and I'm going to throw this thing out. And I'm going to put more hair elastics in here. And then this is all I'm going to be taking for like hair tools. I'm also going to bring a bun maker. And I'm going to bring a couple of more hair ties. Pins, we are okay. And then also scrunchies. I need my scrunchie bag. And I'm going to pick a bunch of scrunchies to bring from here. Can't believe I almost forgot these, but I have another drawer here that is full of cute hair accessories and headbands. And I definitely want to bring some of these. These are still in the bag from Amazon, but these are so cute. They're like these pearl headband things with the clips. Going to bring most of them. Like these really cute like barrettes. Ooh, these definitely bringing. I have the silver leaf. Hair accessories, we are bringing those. Now it is time for me to pack hair care. For hair care, I want to put it in something that if it does explode on the plane, that it doesn't ruin anything. So what I have is I have these marker bags, which I used to put my lipsticks in before I got a different organization system for them. So I have 3 of these bags, and I'm like, how can I use this to pack? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this to pack all of like my hair care bottles. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a plastic bag inside first. I'm just gonna line it like this. And then I'm going to put all of my hair care stuff in. So this is what it looks like with everything in there. And if there's some like face care stuff that I need to bring, which I definitely will, some of it can go in here because I have some room. And then I'm just going to fold the bag in like this. And then it just zips like so. Ta-da! What I do is I'm going to pack the jewelry, hair, glasses. I'm gonna pack all of that first, what I can beforehand. So yeah. So for jewelry, I'm gonna try and pack as much as I can into this. So we took out all of this from the cupboard, and now we're gonna try and pack it and organize it into this. So what this is, it is a jewelry organizer that I got from Amazon. It is super cute. It has hooks for 4 long necklaces plus the pocket. It has this cool little plastic divider that you can put earrings on it. It has a little like these clip things that you can put rings on it, and then when you open the bottom, it has room for, it has a separate zipper on top that you can put whatever you want in there, and then it also has like this cool Velcro divider that you can kind of position however you want. hair accessories, like the cute little clips and stuff. I think I'm just gonna put these in like a zip bag. I'm gonna do the Gemini bag. Just putting in the bun and all of the actually I can leave the bun out. I'm gonna be adding all of this like that, and then it's not super full. I'm gonna be bringing 2 headbands, which are my fave. This doesn't really need to go in, it's already packed. And then my glasses will just go probably with the hair accessories and the bun. Goal is to have everything in a bag, so when I do pack the suitcase, it will all fit like a Tetris maze. Next is going to be makeup brushes. I have enough that I can pack a set and still have a set that I can use for the few days that I am here. So I'm just gonna use this and put all the brushes that I'm going to take with me in there. Moving to location number 2. Okay. These are the brushes that I'm going to be bringing with me, but before I do that, before I pack them, I'm going to wash. So I picked up my brushes and I cleaned them so they are ready and good to go. Now it's time to sort through the makeup. Let's go and pick my makeup. Eee! Sister's literally gonna kill me because these are all hers. Sorry, I needed them. So we have the makeup picked out. Now we have to pack. This might be a little challenging, but I'm gonna do my best to get everything that I picked out into my suitcase. So what I have, I purchased this makeup traveling bag from Amazon. It is like a traveling case, like such. Oh my god, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Let's do this. Let's try this. So my next step after packing the makeup is taking out all of the clothes that I'm going to bring with me, and I'm going to try and pack them in the least amount of space possible. It is day 3 of packing, and I pretty much have everything packed, and I leave in 2 days. All that I have left to pack are my shoes and my toiletries, and that's it. So that was my pack with me. You guys find that helpful and wish me luck on my trip. See you in my next video. Bye!